The courtroom's set, and tension fills the air. Right off the bat, we see the judge cutting to the chase, addressing the defendant's anger issues. When tempers flare, the consequences can be far more serious than a few words. This is where the emotional weight of the case hits. Anger is a double-edged sword. How will the defendant respond?
SFSC's defendant admitted he had been drinking. According to the defendant, he had been drinking for 7 days straight. HFD EMS was called to check defendant out and taken to Memorial Hermann because he reported not being able to breathe. A blood warrant was obtained and executed, and defendant was cleared.
Tell me, does Mr. Bazan have a license, Pavel, please?
Judge, I can confirm that for you. It is eligible.
Do you have a Texas driver license, Mr. Bazan?
Yes, sir.
Do you have valid liability insurance in your name?
Yes, sir.
Then you are not allowed to drive, and I'm going to have you sign with me today an affidavit promising me you're not going to drive until you get it. I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. Do you understand?
And, I'm back on my medication since I've been here, and I had an appointment on the 16th to go see MHMR to get back on my medication to help me with the alcohol and to help me with my mental health. And they've been giving me my medication since I've been here. So I'm
Why
back.
have you not been taking it?
I stopped taking it because I felt like it was helping me. It was getting me fat. And
Getting you fat?
no, because it was like
Collision. Here we go. Third motion to revoke probation. For the defendant, it's deja vu, but with much higher stakes. Facing charges that could land him behind bars for years, the question is, will he finally learn from his mistakes, or is he pushing his luck one last time? The judge's frustration is palpable. How many chances does a person get before they fall through the cracks?
Now what's going to happen? Now you're in custody, man.
so I already had an appointment before this happened. I had an appointment already on the 16th. And this happened, you know what I mean? So I was trying to seek help out there, but I'm back on my medication, and here they've been giving me my medication since I've been here.
You know, the problem, Mr. Bazan, is that I don't know why you don't get this, that, you know, the medication is supposed to do wonderful things for you when you take it. And when you, listen, I'm trying to talk to you and you got this mice running, figure out things to say, and you don't hear it. When you start feeling good, you say, oh, you know what? I feel great. I'm not going to take this medication anymore. And then all the shisa hits the fan. It continues to happen over and over and over. When you take the medication, good things happen. And when you stop, what happens? You end up in jail. Perhaps you should stop taking the medication. Continue to take it, and good things will continue to happen. Problem is, now you're stuck like Chuck. Who knows what's going to happen? You're now being held at no bond. Who knows when you're going to get out? Continue to take the medication. And I am now making that a condition of your bond. You don't take it, I'm going to keep you with me until you take it for an extended period of time. You understand? The only other thing I'm going to say is it's damn near elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you're driving. That, in and of itself, is a minimum of 5 days in jail, Mr. Bazan. Get your brother, man. So he goes with you, and then, so out of jail, gets a scram if he's released from custody. No drugs, no alcohol.
I'm not able to describe the last part of the week. You do 1 day.
They won't do the scram prior to release. Okay, then 1 day if he is released. Okay, obviously, of course. Yeah. Mr. Bazan, keep taking the medication. All right, guys, good luck. I need him to sign. Yeah. Simpson, I need him to swear to this too.
A moment of truth. The defendant admits to drinking for 7 days straight. The officer's detailed account of the incident paints a worrying picture. A person clearly intoxicated behind the wheel. This is a classic example of how substance abuse can escalate to more serious consequences. But there's a twist. The defendant is also seeking help for his addiction. Can he break free from the cycle? Or is this another failed attempt?
Please.
Hey, Judge, with your experiences, Judge, do you have a bond?
No.
No. Can you raise your hand?
Tell her to behave, please. And just to remain in contact with you, huh? Mr. Garris, okay?
Thank you. Yeah, of course. No. Briefly.
Next!
He's hearing voices, like just, I guess, this is like a CYA kind of situation, but we have something on record saying he is competent, but, my understanding is today he may not be competent.
Let's see.
That's why we're filing, that's why defense wants to motion for competency.
And Judge,
My only issue is that, great, we can send them there. How do we know that they're protected though?
Detective,
Right, what if he lets loose in another behavioral center, in the MHMRA place?
that's the thing, Judge. I can't. We could talk to him. We can inquire as to why he missed those court dates. I think you'll see where I'm coming from. That's not relevant to these cases. It's a failed to ID and it's an assault. Him missing the court date. If we just talk to him.
No.
You don't want to?
If I let him out to the MHMRA, the Harris Center, what's to say he doesn't go and beat everybody up there?
Yeah, I get it. I can't guarantee that. I get it, Judge. I get it. But I'm trying to get him some help, you know?
I get.
30 days in jail is not the help, you know?
Mr. Bueno,
Yes, sir.
how are you? How's jail?
Yeah, job been all right.
Do you know why you're here?
Yeah, for one.
Tell me again?
One.
Come closer. Come to the bar. I can't hear you.
One.
Correct. For what though?
No, just,
The assault.
a shot. Yeah.
You know what happened with the assault as to why you got arrested?
I was in a mental health hospital.
And then what happened?
Judge.
No, he's getting it. You're doing great, Mr. Bueno. You're doing fantastic.
Judge, this may go into,
My point is that
I got hungry, and I asked the lady, I asked the guy for some food.
Judge, this is going into.
Okay. Mr. Bueno, your lawyer here, Mr. Laredo, wants to get you into the Harris Center to get you help. My fear is that.
Here's where it gets serious. The judge makes it clear, no more excuses, no more empty promises. Medication is the key to managing his anger and mental health. But will the defendant take responsibility? The judge's blunt statement about the medication is hard to ignore. When you take it, things improve. When you don't, well, that's when the spiral begins. A real wake-up call here for anyone ignoring their mental health.
If we do that, another assault will occur. And I do not want that to happen. The reason you are here is because no self-control. You must exercise self-control. Do you understand? That's why you are in jail. Because when you get angry, you start going like this. And that's not what we do. Do you understand? how do I know if we take you to the Harris Center that it's not going to happen again?
I wasn't on my medicine at the time. I guess, taking my medicine, will help me to stay in self-control.
Are you taking it now? You're not taking your medication now?
Because I don't know which way, to how to get my medicine.
Can we get him into medical or something so we can get him to the medicine that he needs?
Judge, my understanding is that based on what I have access to, he's on something. They're prescribing something, Risperdal, I think.
Let me see.
From what I'm able to check on. What I saw. So he's on something, to my understanding.
I'm supposed to be on 5 medicines. 5 different medicines.
Judge, and this is one of those cases where I don't want to say too much, you know, but
We're here as,
schizophrenia pops up on so much on his history, Judge. For years, it's been popping up, and so it's. The only reason I say that, I'm trying to get him some help, Judge. I mean,
Mr. Bueno, I want to get you into the Harris Center, but I want the people at the Harris Center protected. I don't want you to do anything like what happened at the other place. Do you understand? I will give you one chance, but if you fail me again, you will be stuck with me in jail for a long time. I will only release him to the Harris Center, and we need to know that when you speak to the people at the Harris Center, that he knows that they know about the tendencies so that they are protected as well.
so if I could just give you an update on why I'm proposing this, Judge. I did this in court maybe 3 weeks ago. The way this happened was, it was kind of the same situation where he needed help. I get in contact with somebody in the MAC. They tell me supposedly there's different programs or stuff. I explain to them what's needed. They make it happen with the Harris Center. We release him directly to the Harris Center, and then he gets his help. And then
I'm okay with that.
okay, and
But like I said, only if he gets released to them and they pick him up and they take him directly there.
right, that's what we were able to do last time, and that'd be the expectation this time. So,
Okay, I'm okay with that.
okay. So I'm gonna roll it to what's today, Wednesday?
So
Friday?
perhaps reach out to Brad Morris so that we can get into like a mental health PTI or perhaps something like that, to that caliber, not necessarily a PTI or however they want to craft it. I don't care, but that they release him directly to the Harris Center.
Okay, I think I was kind of on board depending on what they say, but I'll keep working to that.
Judge, I think we should hold off on the PR bond until we have something set in stone.
Oh,
I'm not giving them a PR bond today, of course.
I thought that was,
No.
I thought that was the direction we were going.
No,
no,
nope. Not until I know where we signed the document and we have a releasing document to the actual Harris Center.
Yeah.
That's only until that.
The final warning. The judge isn't pulling any punches here. No alcohol, no drugs, and certainly no more violent outbursts. The message is loud and clear. Follow the rules or face jail time. This could be the moment where everything shifts. Will the defendant choose the path of responsibility, or will they fall back into old patterns?
My only concerns were, once I can file the order, but basically the Harris Center will just say, we don't have a basis.
We're not ready yet.
Yeah.
Not
So
ready. It's too premature.
and that's where
That's the route.
Yeah, that's where I'm getting in contact with Max, shredding everything up, so I have answers for you guys, and with the idea that it's going to be taken care of over there, and I'll come back with you guys. But everybody's on board, it seems like, so.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Bueno, self-control.
Yes, self-control. I'm gonna try to learn to do that, self-control.
That's why everybody's in jail, because they have no self-control.
Start doing that self-control.
Good. Good things will happen then.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Judge, thank you for the opportunity. All right, Sam, I'll talk to you in a minute. Yes.
Paradone is for schizophrenia.
What's that?
It didn't say that he's taking anything. I didn't see that he's actually taking anything.
I didn't see it.
Or that he's been prescribed.
It's for schizophrenia, bipolar, and
On a page that I could see on the orange sheet or whatever. Next!
Eric, Abel, did you need me or no? Judge, are you ready for an arraignment?
An arraignment?
He came earlier, so-
Okay, yeah.
You'll sign
This dude's a frequent flyer.
Torres?
You ready, Pavel? Did you say page 44?
Page 24.
Oh, 24.
Torres.
Come up, Mr. Torres. Mr. Torres back yet again. You now stand charged again with an assault bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
On March 22nd, 2024, at Spring High School in Harris County, Texas. Sorry. Complainant is a 17-year-old high school student. Officer is with the Spring ISD PD. Witness, defendant assault the complainant with a closed fist. Complainant also had a video of the incident where the defendant can be seen pushing the complainant and striking the complainant with a closed fist. Complainant felt pain and sustained a minor visible injury. Officer also obtained a statement from another student witness. Complainant reports that defendant continues to harass through social media.
Mr. Torres, what happened to your school? Did you get kicked in? Did you get kicked out?
No, sir.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to go within 1,000 feet of this individual. I don't care where you are. I don't care where he is. You go near him, I'm going to put you in jail. I don't know what it's going to take to get your attention. Perhaps we're going to have to put you on our plan where we see you all the time. I'm now ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to send you right now for a drug test. I want to know what's in your system. Can you send him now, please?
Yeah.
I'm ordering you no weapons, and I'm giving you a curfew with a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times. If you're out past curfew, I'm going to light you up. You understand, Mr. Torres? One way or the other, we're going to get through to you. If I need to put you up on my knee and spank you like a...